Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add actions and stuff add-on on Minecraft PS5. First of all, if you are already in the game, you're going to press Options key. Then you're going to go to Browse Add-ons. From here at the top you will see search bar. You're going to go ahead and write there actions and stuff or just stuff. After that, go ahead and search for it. Now you want to scroll a little bit. And here you have actions and stuff. Press on it. I already have downloaded it and I already have it in my Marketplace Pass. So you can get it for free if you have a Marketplace Pass. So as you can see, I need to activate the texture pack. So what I need to do is exit the world to apply it. So I'm just gonna press save and quit. After you are here, you want to go to the settings. Then scroll to the bottom almost where it says global resources, and here you can see Marketplace Pass packs, or you will find it on my packs. Press on it, press on actions and stuff, and press activate. Go back. And here you have it, Minecraft with actions and stuff. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.